Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator, and this tutorial is going to be a quick tip. So I'm working on a jersey project, and if you look at this neck side of the jersey, you will notice this thickness around the seam, like places that you join two patterns together. So if you want to do something like that around your garment or your pattern on Clo 3D or Marvelous Designer, I'm going to explain it in this tutorial video. So let me focus on the back side of this jersey. You can see there are internal lines. That means there's going to be a cut there, which I'm going to use to create that exact same seam you saw around the neck of the jersey. So I'm going to go to the 2D viewport, and I'm going to zoom, and I'm going to select Z. So let me first create a cut here. Right click and cut and sew. I'm going to go to the bottom pattern and bottom internal line, and I'm going to click on cut and sew. Then this is what I'm going to do next. So I want to create a seam around this side and also around those parts that are cut above and below. So this internal line here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on offset as internal line. I'm going to change the value to as well as 3. You can use 3, you can also use 2. So I'm going to select OK. I also do the same thing to the top here. Right click, offset as internal line, and 3, yes, fine. And I'm going to drag it down, and we could use the one above or below. Let me just use this. Let me use the one below. Let me just use this. Right click and offset as internal line, and select OK. That's 3. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start cutting this internal line we've created. So I'm going to start with the one I did first. I'm going to select Z, click on this one, anyone, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select cut and sew. I'm going to click on this one again, right click, cut and sew. Yeah, let's move to the one above. Click on the internal line, right click, cut and sew. Yes. Then I'm going to go to the one below. Yes. Right click. So click on Z, click on the internal. Oh my, I don't know why. Click on the internal. Yeah, internal line. That's my bad. Right click and cut and sew. Select yes. So when we go to the 2D viewport, when we go to the 3D viewport, so we're going to look at what we just did now. So let me just click on spacebar to simulate properly. Okay, and let me change it to thick textured mode or thick textured surface. Yes, good. So if you look at this, look at this thickness. Even you can also add top stitch there. But let me stop my simulation. You can see this thickness around your garment, which gives you a realistic seam. That's if you want to create this kind of seam around your streetwear, your jersey, streetwear in general, sure. So this is it. You can see this thickness. You can see this thickness. You can see this thickness. So this is how you can create this kind of realistic seam around your streetwear or your garment on Clo 3D or Marvelous Designer. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Timmy the Creator.